Okay, so have you ever needed your Ameren account number and just found yourself completely lost? Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're tackling a situation that honestly causes a momentary panic for pretty much all of us at some point. You know the feeling? You're trying to pay a utility bill, maybe you're setting up a transfer to a new apartment, or you're trying to apply for an energy assistance program. You reach for your paperwork and you realize you have absolutely no idea what your Ameren account number actually is. And wow, is it incredibly stressful when you need that specific identifier right this second. But hey, take a deep breath, because today we're going to walk through the absolute ultimate stress-free solution to finding that number online in just a matter of minutes.
It's a terrible feeling, especially when you're rushing to get something done. But stay tuned, because we're going to unravel the simple steps to locate it online without any of the stress. This explainer is going to show you just how practical and simple Ameren's online search process really is, especially if you're a total beginner when it comes to navigating utility websites.
All right, here's our game plan for today. We'll start with the account number dilemma, then look at using the online dashboard. After that, we'll go through a guest pay recovery example, troubleshoot some retrieval hurdles, and wrap up with support and final tips.
Okay, let's dive into this first section, the account number dilemma, what you need and exactly why you need it.
So the absolute most crucial thing to remember here is that your Ameren account number is always a 10-digit sequence, and you enter it with 0 hyphens, 0 spaces, just the digits. Because, well, this isn't just some random string of numbers. Within Ameren's massive architecture, this specific 10-digit key is literally what links the actual physical electricity or gas flowing into your meter directly to your digital customer profile. You need this exact sequence to do pretty much anything, whether that's authorizing retail energy suppliers, enrolling in budget billing, or just transferring your service to a new address.
Basically, there are 2 main pathways you can take to track this number down online, depending on where you're starting from. If you're already a registered user, meaning, you've set up an email and password in the past, your path is straight through the main dashboard, which is awesome because it also gives you access to real-time energy use graphs and all your historical bills. But if you're an unregistered user, or maybe you're just locked out and in a massive hurry, Ameren actually has a completely separate pathway called guest pay. We're going to explore both so you're totally covered no matter what your situation is.
Let's start with Section 2, using the online dashboard. This is the straightforward walk path for registered users.
The steps here are super straightforward. First, you're going to head over to Ameren.com and just click the Login button. You'll enter the email address and password you associated with your account. Once you pass any multi-factor authentication, you'll be taken straight to the central account overview panel. Now, once you're in, look right at the top left of that web page. Your 10-digit account number is displayed prominently right there, sitting right next to the physical address where you receive your service. You can literally just copy and paste it from there, and boom, you are good to go.
Moving on to Section 3, a guest pay recovery example. This is all about recovering your account without a login.
Now, what's really interesting here is how Ameren handles identity verification so you can safely bypass the whole login screen. Let's say you're a residential customer, you just select the Social Security Number verification category. To make it work, you'll need to input the last 4 digits of your SSN, your exact legal last name, and the phone number that's linked to the account. On the flip side, if you're a commercial entity, you'd use your 9-digit federal employer identification number, your legal business name, and the business phone. If those inputs match up with their active customer database, the portal instantly reveals your 10-digit account number. It is such a fantastic secure workaround when you're in a pinch.
Next up is Section 4, troubleshooting common retrieval hurdles, anticipating and fixing roadblocks. Because, let's face it, technology is definitely not always perfect, and sometimes the system is going to kick back an error. So let me act as your tech-savvy friend for a minute and troubleshoot some common hurdles you might run into. If that guest pay verification fails, one of the biggest culprits is usually an outdated phone number. The system absolutely requires the verified phone number on file, so if you've changed your cell number recently and didn't tell Ameren, it's just not going to match. Another interesting hurdle involves credit verifications. When you start service, Ameren checks risk scores like the Equifax Advanced Energy Risk Score. You have to make sure your data matches exactly what the credit bureaus have. Also, keep an eye out for exact legal name mismatches. For example, if you've recently gotten married, changed your last name, but didn't update Ameren, their database will completely reject the new name. And finally, for registered users, missing multi-factor authentication codes can easily lock you out if they're suddenly being sent to an old email or a phone you don't have anymore.
Finally, Section 5, Support and Final Tips. Getting human support and verifying your details. If you've tried the dashboard and you've tried guest pay and you're still hitting a brick wall because of a name mismatch or an old phone number, please don't panic.
It is time to escalate this and get some actual human support. Sometimes you just need to talk to a person to verify your identity over the phone. So, here is your direct lifeline. If you're an Ameren, Illinois customer, you can call 800-755-5000. If you're an Ameren, Missouri customer, your number is 800-552-7583. Their customer service reps can easily look you up using your address and social security number, verify who you are, and just read your account number right back to you.
Just a quick professional note before we wrap things up. This explainer is totally intended to be a helpful guide based on Ameren's published online protocols. But because account security procedures can and do update, you should always verify your specific account details directly with Ameren or check out their official website if you have highly specific inquiries.
So, are you ready to finally take control of your account and leave the stress of lost paperwork behind? I mean, we've seen how simple the online portal is, how that guest pay feature can totally save the day in a pinch, and exactly who to call if things do get tricky. Getting your 10-digit Ameren account number really doesn't have to be a headache. So bookmark this information, log into your profile, and take charge of your energy management today. Will you be the one to master your utility accounts without breaking a sweat? Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and happy navigating!